Hello, welcome to this section. This is the question. Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. If angle P is equal to 70 degrees and angle Q and R are corresponding angles, find angle R. Now we are given 70 degrees. Angle P is equal to 70 degrees. And we are asked to look for angle R. Now Q and R are corresponding angles. Now first of all, let's locate angles P. Because angles P is less than 90 degrees, it is an acute angle. And when a transversal cuts two parallel lines, there are four acute angles that are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the four acute angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 that are formed when a transversal A cuts two parallel lines. So any one of these can be angle P, which is 70 degrees. So we can say that this angle here is angle P, which is equal to 70 degrees. Now the question says Q and R are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are two angles that are on the same side of the transversal. And the angles are also identical. That means they are the same size. So let's assume that this angle here is Q. This angle also is R. These two angles are the same size. Both of them are obtuse angles. They are on the same side of the transversal. Therefore, both of them are corresponding angles. So the question says we should look for angles R. That's this angle here. So how do we get R? How do we get this? We are given 70 degrees. And the first thing we need to do, we know that angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So this means that angles P and Q is equal to 180 degrees. Angles P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees because they are angles on a straight line. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Now we are given angle P, we don't know the value of Q. So we can solve for the value of Q. So this equation becomes 70 plus Q is equal to 180 degrees. Now if we subtract 70 from both sides, if we subtract 70 from both sides, the value becomes, let me take it up. The value becomes 70 minus 70 plus Q is equal to 180 minus 70. So this is 0, therefore Q is equal to 110 degrees. Therefore, this is the value of this angle here, Q. And the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So how do we get this angle here? How do we get this angle? Now, because Q and R are corresponding angles